In this Google Classroom tutorial, I will show you how to assign different assignments or notes or documents to different students of the same class. I will also show you how to restrict comment access for students if you think that your students are the ones who break rules or cause mischief very often. So let's get started. We will roll over to the classwork tab and create an assignment. Now you have two groups of students who you want to assign two different assignments to. So I will name this assignment number 1, chapter 1. I will add my instructions. I'll simply add the file from my computer. As you can see that I've chosen a document that I want to upload for my group 1. So I'm just going to upload that. And here on the right hand side, I can choose whether I want to upload it for all students or some of my students. So say that I want to upload it for this group of students. So I'm just going to say assign. There we go. Here now we have uploaded the assignment for one group. We can later check how many of the students have actually turned in the assignment. Now let me show you how you can restrict your students from commenting on other students. You'll have to go onto the settings option. We'll move down to the general settings, and in the stream we're going to click only teachers can post or comment, and we'll save it. This will prevent students from unnecessarily commenting on other students' classwork or assignments. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please write to us if you have any further questions on how to use Google Classroom. Thank you.